Velocity Suite is simple to use, simple to understand. We consider simplicity a kind of a sophistication. That is what gave me the confidence that this type of system can contribute to our key goals. Frontier is a natural and organic spices and essential oils company located in eastern Iowa. Key goal for this year and the coming year is to streamline our processes and automate wherever is possible. When we started to collect information about manufacturing efficiencies, we created some reports, but we couldn't pinpoint exactly which part of the process was inconsistent. So when you finish a manufacturing order and you close the order without completing all the steps that you require, like returning material, you are going to create cost variances. Process intelligence allows us to identify who was using the system correctly and who was not. After training them, we develop a process to check the closure of manufacturing orders to avoid deviation with costing. So after taking these two corrective steps, we were able to finish without any cost variances. You don't have to dedicate a team to create reports because process intelligence has the ability to extract that information and create dashboards that are going to facilitate the analysis, and then you can take actions on top of it. With process intelligence, you receive a dashboard and you click on Gen AI. Gen AI is going to explain you what you pay on time, what you pay late, how much early payment savings you could receive, and what you didn't receive because of late payment. By doing this, we are expecting to have visibility of the $500,000 saving for early payment. The company is expecting to explore international markets to stay competitive outside of the US in markets like the UK or Canada or Mexico. Keeping our costs under control will help us to have a competitive price in these markets.